Okay, in last lecture we have seen how to use the loop. Now let us use the loop concept and write the same code for this physics, chemistry, mathematics for the fourth year. Okay, in last lecture we have seen the code for this three statement. Okay, now in this lecture we will see how to write the program, the same program for fourth year. And in this code we are repeating this task: physics, input chemistry, input mathematics 4 times. So what I have to do? Simply write this statement in the body of this for loop. This is the body of the for loop. This is the body of the for loop. Here the body contains only one statement. Here body contains the 2 statement. Here body contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 statements. So what will happen? When I is 0, the 5 statement get executed. When I is 1, 5 statement get executed. When I is 2, 5 statement get executed. When I is 3, 5 statement get executed. In this way we get output. So run the code. Let us run the code and check what do we get. See here, already in last lecture we have discussed these loops. Now here enter physics. Can you see enter physics? Okay, enter physics marks. I just resize the window so that you can easily see it. Okay, enter physics. What was the physics marks here? 10, 10, 10. See 10, 10, 10 for physics, thiep 0, 20, 20, 20, thiep 1, 30, 30, 30, thiep 2, 40, 40, 40, thiep 3. Okay, let us run this code for this. So here for thiep 0, 10, 10, 10, I got a total 30. See here, what I have done? Total equal to, here I have got physics, chemistry, mathematics marks here, and total equal to physics plus chemistry mathematics, and I got the print total. Here I got 30. Clear? And here I have used a typecasting. Otherwise, what I will get? I will get the string. Can you check it? If I remove the int, then I will get output 10, 10, 10. So here for thiep 0, for thiep 1, 20, 20, 20, I got some 60. For thiep 3, 30, 30, 30, I get total 90. For thiep 4, 40, 40, 40, I got 120. So in this way we got the output. And here what I have done afterwards, I have printed the total here, print 120. So this is the, when I is equal to 3, I get this output. Okay, when I is 3, I get the output. Try to understand, when I is 0, this is the statement. When I is 1, this is the statement. When I is 2, this is the statement. When I is 3, this is the statement. Afterwards, what I have done? I have printed the statement. That's it. Print physics, chemistry, mathematics. Print physics, this get printed. Here physics marks get printed. Print chemistry, chemistry mark get printed. Maths mark get printed. What was the last value of physics, chemistry, mathematics? 40, 40, 40, 40. So if I use the loop for I in range 4, print physics, chemistry, mathematics. See, I am not getting 10. Here the marks of first thiep is 10, 10, 10. Marks of second thiep is 20, 20, 20. But here I get 40. When thiep is, when I is 0, when I is 1, 40. When I is 2, 40. When I is 3, 40. When I is 4, 40. Why do I get this? Because value get overwritten. Try to understand. This is simply the variable. Physics is the variable. Chemistry is the variable. Math is the variable. When I is 0, physics value was the 10. Then the same physics value was replaced by 20. Same 20 replaced by 30. Same 30 replaced by 40. That's why I get the physics value as 40. Clear? Same for chemistry. When I is 0, chemistry value was 10. Chemistry value is 20, chemistry value 30, 40, I get 40. So my question to you, if I want to recall this 10, 10, 10 marks, physics 10, chemistry 10, math 10, how can I do it? Again I repeat the question. If I want to recall the marks of physics, chemistry, mathematics, what should I do? I use the array. Clear? Because what happened, try to understand this in proper way. What is happening here, if we do not use the array, this value get overwritten. When I is 0, here when I is 0, this I is 1, I is 2, I is 3. Okay, when I is 0, physics marks are 10. When I is 1, physics marks are 20. When I is 2, physics marks are 30. When I is 3, physics marks are 40. Same thing happen for chemistry, same for mathematics. So what I will do, I will create the array list. When I create the list, now this will be physics 0, this is physics 1, this is physics 2, this is physics 3. This is chemistry 0, chemistry 1, chemistry 2, chemistry 3. This is math 0, math 1, math 2, math 3. Here total 0 equal to physics 0 plus chemistry 0 plus mathematics 0. Total equal to physics 1 plus chemistry 1 plus mathematics 1. total 2 equal to physics 2 plus chemistry 2 plus mathematics 2, total 3 equal to physics 3 plus chemistry plus mathematics 3. Clear? Let us write the code. Okay, are you ready? So I already have written the code for the same concepts here. I have kept the program ready. So let me open that code. Okay. Let me open the code. Already I have written the code. So this is the code using list. Okay. So here what I do, I just remove these statement because these statements are not needed now. Okay, sorry.